Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable plus Zapier for automated lead enrichment. Complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by accessing your browser and navigating to the Airtable website. Sign up for a new account or log into your existing account.
Once logged in, create a new base by clicking on the Add a Base button. Choose to start from scratch or use one of the templates provided.
For lead enrichment, it's recommended to create a table specifically for leads. In the table, set up relevant fields like name, email, company, and any other data you want to capture. Now, move to Zapier's website and log into your account or create a new one. Once you're in, click on Make a Zap to start building your automation. Search for Airtable as the trigger app. Choose the trigger event, typically new record or new or updated record. Connect your Airtable account by following the authentication prompts. Select the base and table you created for leads. Next, set up the action step by searching for the app you want to use for lead enrichment. Common options include apps like Clearbit, Hunter, or any other suitable enrichment service. Choose the appropriate action event, such as Find Person or Find Company. Connect your chosen enrichment app to Zapier, following their authentication process as well. Map the fields from your Airtable lead table to the corresponding fields in the enrichment app. For example, send the email field from Airtable to the email field in Clearbit. Test the action to ensure it retrieves the expected data from the enrichment service. Once the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap to activate your workflow. Return to Airtable and verify that new leads are being enriched automatically. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the automation meets your needs fully. With your setup complete, you can now enjoy automated lead enrichment, saving you time and enhancing your database. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.